No matter the weather, Alexandria Emergency Hospital is always here for you. Rain or shine, our doors are open 24/7 to provide the care you and your loved ones need fast. Every second counts, and Alexandria Emergency Hospital is here to help you through any storm.
In the event of a water damage emergency, call PuroClean of Cenla.
Hey, good morning, everyone. How's it going? This is what we're looking at right now. Just some clouds out there. Temperatures pretty chilly in the low 40s and dew points down in the low 30s. If you hear chainsaws out there, I don't know if you saw my post, but I have the folks from Mountain Man Tree Service out there cutting down a very, very problematic and difficult and dangerous tree. So got some pictures of them up there doing a job I could never imagine doing. I mean, I think it'd be cool to cut up trees, but I would not want to be 40, 50 feet up balancing on a weird, unbalanced tree. Anyway, if you need to use them or if you have a tree issue, I'll show you the number in just a second. But Leesville, looking cloudy, looking pretty nice, kind of chilly out there. Alexandria, we are looking much the same, 43. Dew point is 32. And, seagulls have moved on shore in Jeff Davis Parish. Oh, what are you doing on the shore in Jeff Davis? Are you fishing? Because I am ready to do that. Here's what radar is looking like. Some storms down off the coast of Texas. Looking at the big view, it's snowy up north. Man, look at that lake effect band. That's making it all the way down to the eastern tip of Long Island. That's pretty incredible and incrazyable. I'm combining words today, left and right. A lot of snow out west as well. That's what we have going on the big picture. Locally, it's chilly. We have temperatures in the low 50s down south, and we're in the low 40s up here across most of the area. So here's the number. Call or text 318-277-7830. Let's go ahead and get on the books there. We needed a good tree service around here on this. I've been whining about getting one to sponsor me for a while because I was like, this is perfect. Weather connects to this kind of stuff, and Cole's an awesome guy. Veteran-owned and operated local business here, and they do a good job. Well, at least they're halfway through a good job. I can see it's going to be great, though. Winds from the east today. They're going to turn to the south overnight tonight. That moisture is going to come back in ahead of our severe threat. So this is what we see today. Mostly cloudy skies, maybe a few showers mixed in. Nothing too crazy, but mid to upper 50s for today. And then temperatures kind of playing out tonight and actually start to come up after midnight. We're going to see a very warm Saturday followed by a big time cool down. Now, futurecast, this is the short range stuff. This shows what's going to happen tomorrow. Just a few showers today. Tomorrow, things try to get cranked up out ahead of this. I don't foresee any big issues early in the afternoon. It's all going to be tied to this line here. And then do we get supercells out ahead of it? Because if we do, that's when we're going to see some big problems. It looks like this model wants to generate those near or just east of Alexandria. It's guidance. It's not actually what's definitely going to happen, but we're going to be watching this closely. And there's that main line along the front that's going to sweep on through. Going to be a quick hit here. I don't think we see heavy rain out of this thing. I mean, maybe a ½ inch to 2 inches, but that's going to be about it. So no flooding concerns with this one, but a severe concern for sure. The enhanced risk continues. This is actually for Saturday. Why is the day wrong? I'm going to have to correct that code, but just trust me, it's Saturday on this. So your enhanced risk for severe weather over the northern 2/3 of the area. The slight risk includes the entire state. I mean, apart from 3 square miles there in southwestern Cameron Parish. But this is your outlook. Hey, look at, they got that right. So the outlook for tornadoes shows the higher chance tomorrow is going to be just to our northeast. This is just kind of how things are looking right now. That's where the most favorable conditions are going to combine. This is going to be in the evening here. I don't think this threat is going to be early in the afternoon, but mainly after 5 or 6 o'clock. 5% risk for tornadoes within 25 miles of a point throughout the state for the most part. And then a wind threat. I actually think that's our most widespread issue. It's going to be those scattered damaging wind gusts, and again, northern 2/3 of the area. That's where we have the best chance for that. The lowest threat, as usual, is going to be hail. There still is a chance for this from Monroe down to Natchitoches. I mean, there's a 5% risk area-wide. So it's possible, but I think the main concern is going to be those damaging winds and then possibly, again, a couple of isolated tornadoes ahead of or embedded in the line. GFS model shows that we get through this one. We get storms and all that good stuff. We just went through that in detail. That moves on. Then we see another system come in. I don't think we see severe weather with this one. In fact, look at that snow down in toward Memphis, Nashville. I mean, this is a model. Again, we're looking about 5 days out, but we'll be watching things up that way. I will, because I'm crazy. But and let me just tell you, there are some solutions where we get some very cold rain here. So it could end up being a close call. I know someone's probably posted the Canadian model showing just a earth-shattering ice storm around the area, but I don't see that happening. I think we're going to see some cold rain. If that system were to slow down, we have a second piece of energy coming in. Could get a little interesting, but we are 5-6 days out, and I don't see a real strong signal for that. So we're going to keep things all liquid, though we will keep it quite chilly. And there's going to be plenty of rain through Thursday. I think after that, though, after we get this system out of here on Wednesday, we're going to see things drying out, and I think we could use that. I know getting the equipment back there, they did a great job with it, but I know, they want some dry weather so things dry out and they can get these trees in and out of here because they are hauling some big stuff back there. 78 tomorrow. Notice temperatures don't really fall. We get to about 54 at midnight. We'll probably be in the mid to upper 60s by morning, so it's going to rise overnight. We're going to be very warm on Saturday and kind of cool. Next system comes through Tuesday and Wednesday, and look at these temperatures. Low to mid 40s for highs. Rain should get out of here Wednesday afternoon. We should be all good there, but yes, I am watching for any sort of potential mischief there. Chances very low, so again, not making it into the forecast, but it's something that I'm aware of. I just like to let you know that. Temperatures are going to stay chilly, I think, pretty much through the end of the month. We should start to warm up toward the end of the month, and after that system gets out of here on Wednesday, I really think we see some dry conditions to end the month as well. So let's see. Okay, we're on there. Yeah, you see the brown there? Pretty dry country there to end February, so we will get a little break from things, and that is good news because, oh my goodness, yeah, Kristen and I are going to be in that Ball Mardi Gras parade. I forgot the date, but this is good because Miss Gail would be mad at me if it rained, and I've already made jokes about it. So I will get that date for you if you want to get out there and check us out. But that's it for today. Oh, Miss Janice, look at you, Mimi. You're in here wishing me a happy Valentine's Day. Well, thank you. Same to you. All right, guys, I'm going to get on out of here. Have a great Valentine's Day. If that means you're just hanging around doing your own thing, hey, sometimes that's a great day as well. But I will see you back here tomorrow. We'll have a full update in the morning on the severe threat. Tom will have one this evening and all that stuff. And then, of course, we will be here for live coverage throughout the day as needed. But have a wonderful Friday, and I'll see you.